Good evening, students. Welcome to our Dhyeya Education Foundation Maharashtra. Today we are going to learn computer subject MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. You can use it organize your data into rows and columns. You can also use to perform mathematical calculations. It is you can also use to perform mathematical calculations quickly. This course teaches Microsoft Excel's basis preludes to use the statistical analysis system. At the end of the course, now participants are expected to know how to use Microsoft Excel too. First, enter text and numbers in a spreadsheet. Enter Excel formulas, format data, create Excel functions, fill cells automatically, print result, create charts and enter advanced Excel formulas. Section 1, entering text and number. Entering text and number. The Microsoft Excel window. This section will introduce you to Excel window. To begin, this section start Microsoft Excel 2007 as follow. The Microsoft Excel windows appears and your screen looks similar to the one shown here in Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Office button. Microsoft Office button. In the upper left corner of the Excel 2007 window is the Microsoft Office button. When you click the button, a menu appears. You can use the menu to create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, print, and perform many other tasks. We use this button. Next one is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar. Next to the Microsoft Office button is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar gives you a quick to access commands of frequently use. Commands you frequently use. Next is the title bar. Next is a title bar. Book 1 Microsoft Excel. Next to the quick access toolbar is the title bar. On the title bar, Microsoft Excel displays the name of the workbook you are currently using. You are currently using at the top of the Excel window. You should see Book 1 Microsoft Excel or a similar name. It is called Microsoft Excel. Next one is this tab is home. This is dialog box launcher, buttons, font, group, worksheets. Next is worksheets. Microsoft Excel consists of worksheets. Microsoft Excel consists of worksheets. Each worksheet contains column and rows. Each contains worksheets, column and rows. Column and rows. The columns are letter A to Z. The columns are letter A to Z and then continuing with AA, BB, AB, AC is on the number rows are number 1 to etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. The combination of a column coordinate and row coordinate make up a cell address. For example, the cell located in the upper left corner. The cell located in the upper left corner of the worksheet is cell A1. Is cell A1 meaning column A, row 1, cell E10 is located under column E on row 10. You enter your data into the cells on the worksheet. First, the formula bar. If the formula bar is turn on the cell address of the cell, you are in displays in the name box, which is located on the left side of the following formula bar. Cell entries displays on the right side of the formula bar. Next one, the status bar. The status bar. Now the status bar appears at very bottom of the Excel window. Very bottom of the Excel window and provides such information as the sum, average, minimum and maximum value of selected numbers. Next is move around the worksheet. By using the arrow keys, you can move around your worksheet. You can use the down arrow key to move downward one cell at a time. You can use the up arrow key to move upward one cell at a time. You can use the tab key to move across the page to the right. One cell at a time. You can hold down the shift keys and then press the tab key to move to left one cell at a time. The page up and page down keys move up and down one page at a time. If you hold the control key and then press the home key, you move to beginning of the worksheet. Next is exercise 1. Make go to cell screen. Next, press 5 and go to dialog box opens. Next one is go to control G. आता hold down the control key while you press G. Means control G. The go to dialog box app opens. Type C4 in the preference field. Press enter. Excel moves to cell C4. Go to the name box. Next, you can also use the name box to go to specify cell. Just type the cell you want to go to in the name box and then press enter. Next one, type B10 in the name box. Press enter. Excel moves to cell B10. Next is select cell. How to select cell? If you wish to perform a function on a group of cells, you must first select those cells by highlighting them. The exercise that for teach you how to select. Next one. Next, edit and cells F2. After you enter data into cell, you can edit the data by pressing F2 while you are in the cell you wish to edit. Change on and means move to cell A1. Press F2, use the arrow and backspace keys to change John and John's. Press enter. Next, alternate method, editing a cell by using the formula bar. You can also edit the cell by using the formula bar. You change Jones to Joker in the following side. Move to the cursor of cell A1, click in the formal or entries area of the formula bar and change Jones to Joker and press enter. Next one is alternate method. Next one is alternate method. Means move to cell A1. Next double click in the cell A1. Cell A1. This is cell A1. Move to cell A1. Double click in cell A1. Use the arrow and backspace keys to change Joker and Jones. And next is press enter. Next one is change a cell entry. Next, change a cell entry. Typing in a cell, replace the old entry with the new information you type. Move the cursor to cell A1. Next one is type Cathay. Press enter. The name Cathay replace Johnson, Jordan. Wrap text. Next is wrap text. When you type text that is too long to fit in the cell, the text overlap the next cell. If you do not want it to overlap the next cell, you can wrap the text. Cathay. Next column is text too long to fit in the cell and text overlaps the next cell. If you do not want to it overlap the next cell, you can wrap the text. It is wrap text. It is not wrap text. Two columns are there. Here is one column. So, too long to fit in the cell. It is called wrap text. Next one is move to cell A2. Type text too long to fit and press enter. Yes. And next, return to cell A2. Choose the home tab. Click the wrap text button. Excel wraps the text in the cell. Next is delete and cell entry. To delete an entry in a cell or a group of cells, you place the cursor in the cells or select the group of cells in press delete. Next is delete a cell entry, select cells A1 to A2, delete, press the delete key. Press the delete key. Next is save a file. This is the end of a section to save your file. To save your file, click the office button, a menu appears. Next is click save. The save as dialog box appears. Go to the directory in which you want to save your file and type section 1 in the file name field. Click save. Excel saves your file and close Excel. Close Excel. Next one is section 2. Entering Excel formulas and formatting data. Means you will learn to how to perform basic mathematical calculations and how to format text and numerical data. Okay, to start this section, open Excel, perform mathematical calculation. Microsoft Excel, you can enter numbers and mathematical formulas into cell. Whether you enter a number or a formula, you can reference the cell when you perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. When entering a mathematical formula, precede the formula with an equal sign Use the following indicate the type of calculation you wish to perform. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponential. In the following exercise, you practice some of the methods you can use to perform mathematical calculations. Addition, subtraction, multiply, divide. Type add, subtract, multiply and divide in cells A1, B1, C1 and A1, B1, C1 and D1. Type 12, 25, 11 and 75 in cells A2 to C2 and D2 representative. I need type 8, 13 and 5 in cells A3, B3, C3 and D3 respectively. Okay. Next one is when creating formulas, you can preference cells include numbers. All of the is equal to A2 divided by B2 is equal to A2 plus 12 is equal minus B3. म्हणजे या पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो क्रिएटिंग फॉर्म्युलाज करू शकतो. Performs advanced mathematical calculations, move to cells, to change the order calculations. Parenthesis Microsoft Excel calculate informations in parenthesis. First double click in the cell A7. A7, edit the cell to read is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 12 bracket divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Press enter. Answer is 36. Answer is 36. So next is AutoSum. You can use the AutoSum button on the home tab to automatically add a column or rows of numbers. When you press the AutoSum button, Excel selects the numbers it thinks you want to add, and if you then click to check mark on the formula bar or press the enter key and Excel adds the number, Excel goes as to which numbers you want to add is wrong. You can select the cells you want. Next one is AutoSum. AutoSum is equal to sum F3 E3 F3. So go to cell F1, type 3, press enter, Excel moves down on cell, type 3, press enter, Excel moves down one cell. Next type 3, press enter, Excel moves down one cell, the cell F4 and choose the home tab. Next is click the AutoSum button and in the editing group, Excel select cells F1 throw F3 and enters a formula in cell F4. Now next is press enter, Excel add cells F1 throw F3 and displays the result in cell F4. Sum, average, count number, maximum. Note that you click on the arrow next to AutoSum to across other automatic calculations like average, minimum, maximum, value, count, numbers and etc. Next one is align cell entries. Align cell entries. When you type text into a cell, by default, your entry aligns with the left side of the cell. When you type numbers into a cell, by default, your entry aligns with the right side of the cell. You can change the cell alignment. You can center, left, align, of right, align any cell entry. Look at cell A1 to D1. Note that they are aligned with the left side of the cell. Next is to center cells A1 to D1. Select cells A1 to D1. Choose the home tab. Click the center button. In the alignment group, Excel centers each cell's content. Copy, cut and paste. You can copy or cut data from one area of worksheets to another. Select cells D9 to D12, choose the Home tab and click the Cut button. Move to cell G1. You practice this. Okay? I hope you will understand it. Thank you.